Greetings, my business-boosted hamsters! What's one of the most important subjects they don't teach you in a regular school? Well, there are plenty, but negotiation definitely makes the list. It's a skill that goes way beyond business deals. It can help in all kinds of situations. But where do you actually learn it? Don't worry, your fluffy pals got you covered. I found a video that'll help you seriously level up your talk to others game. Ready to dive in? Let's go!
Permanent fix is what I like to call frame, and you can use this in any context, no matter how serious or trivial. That's how you do it. You first tell them what you want to talk about. 2, you tell them how you want the conversation to end. And then 3, you get their buy-in into your frame. So let's say it's something, hey Ken, I'd like to talk to you about tomorrow's meeting, and I want to walk away feeling like we're on the same page. That sound good? Got my frame? You're going to say, yeah. And now, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Let's say it's something more serious. Hey, Ken, I'd like to talk to you about some comments I heard you say at yesterday's meeting. And I want to leave that conversation with the understanding that's not going to happen again. Can we go ahead and do that? Yep. Now everybody knows exactly what we're going to be talking about. Because when you talk about everything, talk about nothing.
Wow. Was that a masterclass or what? That wasn't just clever wording, it was a full-on tactic. With the right approach, you're not just making people like you, you're opening doors, landing deals, and fattening up that wallet. Honestly, I'm filing this one under business brain games here on the channel. Because let's be real, knowing how to play the game is a skill of its own. Don't miss our upcoming episodes if you're serious about leveling up the skills that actually move the needle. Catch you in the next one, and remember, hamsters are power. One for all, and all for one.